Hello dear children, today we are going to see 8th class English workshop 1.2 Androcles and the Lion। यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिया गया है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1A, मैच द फ्रेजेस इन द कॉलम A विद देयर मीनिंग कॉलम B। कॉलम A जो है उसमें फ्रेजेस दिए गए हैं और कॉलम B में उसका मीनिंग दिया गया है। तो यहाँ पे हमें फ्रेजेस और उनका मीनिंग दोनों को क्या करना है, हमें मैच करना है। तो इसका आंसर इस प्रकार से हम राइट डाउन कर सकते हैं। देखो, फर्स्ट है लुकिंग आउट फॉर। इस फ्रेज का मीनिंग है ट्राइंग टू सर्च फॉर। सेकंड, फेस टू फेस, आंसर इन फ्रंट ऑफ ईच अदर। थर्ड, समन ऑफ करेज, आंसर ट्राई टू बी ब्रेव। नेक्स्ट, रेज मेल्टेड, आंसर anger reduce. Next, be moved by, answer filled with soft feelings. Next question, question number B, read the following sentences from the story. They were bound by law to obey their master. Second, the kind man bound up the lion's injured paw. Third, the lion bounded towards Androcles again. The word bound carries three different meanings in each of the sentences. A, rush forward. B, forced to follow. And C, tied up. Put the correct letters A or B or C in the boxes according to the proper meaning. अभी देखो, यहाँ पे ये जो ऊपर 3 सेंटेंसेस दिया गया है, हर एक सेंटेंस में बाउंड वर्ड यूज़ किया गया है और उनका अलग अलग मीनिंग है। यहाँ पे मीनिंग दिए गए हैं नीचे, जैसे ए, बी और सी, यहाँ पे मीनिंग दिए गए हैं। तो यहाँ पे जो मीनिंग है वो प्रॉपर मीनिंग वो प्रॉपर बॉक्सेस में हमें पुट अप करने हैं। तो इसका आंसर हम इस प्रकार से राइट डाउन कर सकते हैं। देखो, फर्स्ट दिया गया है दे वेयर बाउंड बाय लॉ टू ओबे देयर मास्टर। बी का आंसर क्या है, फोर्स टू फॉलो। सेकंड, द काइंड मैन बाउंड अप द लॉयंस इंजर्ड पॉ, आंसर इज ए यानी रश फॉरवर्ड। थर्ड, द लॉयन बाउंस टुवर्ड एंड्रोसल्स अगेन, आंसर इज सी दैट इज टाइड अप। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन C. Now translate each of the 3 sentences A, B, C into your medium of instruction. अभी यहाँ पे जो 3 sentences मिल गए हमें A, B, C, उनको हमें medium of instructions में कन्वर्ट करना है। तो इस प्रकार से हम राइट डाउन कर सकते हैं, त्यांना त्यांच्या मालकाचे नियम पाळणे कायद्याने बंधनकारक आहे। B, त्या दयाळू माणसाने सिंहाच्या जखमी पंजा घट्ट बांधला। C, सिंहाने एंड्रोसल्सकडे पुन्हा झेप घेतली। इस प्रकार से इनके आंसर हमने राइट डाउन किए हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2A, फाइंड फ्रॉम द स्टोरी द एंटोनिम्स और अपोजिट वर्ड्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। यहाँ पे हमें जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं उनके अपोजिट वर्ड्स हमें राइट डाउन करने हैं। फर्स्ट, काइंड क्रूएल, पुअर वेल्दी, स्लेव मास्टर, हाई low. Next, punishment reward, unbound bound, tender tough, happy unhappy. Next, question number B, find from the story 5 words that describe the sounds made by the lion. Answer is moan, growl, whimper, bound, roar, purr. These are the sounds made by the lion. Next question, question number 3, write the reactions that followed each of the actions given below. पुढील प्रत्येक क्रियांपाठोपाठ होणाऱ्या प्रतिक्रिया लिहा। अब यहाँ पे फर्स्ट दिया गया है एंड्रोसल्स डिड नॉट लाइक हिज क्रूएल मास्टर, आंसर सो ही फेल्ट डेथ was better than serving such a master, and he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master. Next, the lion looked at Androcles piteously. So, answer. Androcles paused and then he moved very cautiously toward the lion and saw that lion's paw was wounded, sore, and swollen. See, Androcles bandage the lion's injured paw. So, answer. The lion licked his arm as if to show gratitude, which surprised and wondered Androcles. Next, the hungry, furious lion was released into the arena. So, Androcles was filled with fear, but he showed he was not afraid. Next, the lion reached Androcles and answer. Then it moved slowly forward. All its rages seemed to have melted, and it recognized its friend. Next, the emperor asked Androcles what other reward he would like. So, answer, he replied that he didn't want anything for himself, but he wanted the lion to be set free too. Next question, write in your own words 3 to 4 sentences about the following. पुढील विषयावर तुमच्या स्वतःच्या शब्दात 3-4 वाक्य लिहा. यहाँ पे 3 to 4 सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं. उनके ऊपर हमें राइट डाउन करना है. फर्स्ट देखना है द कंडीशन ऑफ स्लेव्स इन एंशंट रोम. Slavery in ancient Rome played an important role in society and the economy. Beside mutual labor, slaves perform many domestic services and might be employed at high-skilled jobs. Accountants and physicians were often slaves. Greek slaves, in particular, used to be highly educated. Unskilled slaves work on farms, in mines, and at mills. Their living conditions were miserable and their lives short. Second, qualities of Androcles. I think Androcles was a very kind man. So, when he saw the lion in pain, he did not think about his life, whereas he thought about the lion's distress and tried to help him. He was kind, cooperative, understanding, sensitive, brave, courageous, and friendly by nature. Third, even wild animals can be our friends. Answer, yes, even wild animals can be our friends because they have also feelings and emotion. If we help them, definitely they will not be cruel with us. They know how to give reaction to our action. If we treat them cruelly, definitely they will be cruel with us, and if we treat them friendly and affectionately, they can be our friends. Question number 5. Narrate to your class any short story about kindness to animals or how animals can be kind to humans. Write down the story in your notebook. Give it a title of your own. प्राण्यांवर दया करणे किंवा प्राणी माणसांशी कसे दयाळूपणे वागू शकतात ही गोष्ट तुमच्या वहीत लिहून तिला योग्य शीर्षक द्या. इस प्रकार से हम स्टोरी राइट डाउन कर सकते हैं. द लॉयल हॉर्स. Once there was a man, he had a horse named Chetak. The man used to go on a ride every day on his horseback. They both used to enjoy their rides. One day, the man went for a ride as usual. Suddenly, he found himself trapped by two robbers. The robbers demanded the man to give everything he had. The man was about to give his money and precious things. Then Chetak understood what was going on. It started to kick and hit the robbers with its hind legs as well as its unguides. The robbers found themselves in troubles and ran away. This way, Chetak saved his owner. The man was very happy. After this incident, the man's love increased a lot for his pet. In this way, today we have completed English workshop of 1.2 Androcles and the Lion. Dear students, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.